Do you want to understand real English conversations while shopping?
Or maybe you want to speak English confidently when buying clothes?
Today, you'll hear useful English expressions people use in stores every day.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve listening and speaking naturally.
Let's get started. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Today, we're talking about shopping for clothes.
You'll hear useful English expressions people use in stores every day.
Let's begin. Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a jacket.
What size do you need?
Medium, please.
We have several styles.
I like this blue one.
That's one of our most popular jackets.
Can I try it on?
Of course, the fitting room is over there.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How does it fit?
It's a little tight.
Would you like a larger size?
Yes, please.
Here's a large.
Thank you.
How about now?
Much better.
It looks great on you.
I like it too.
Are you going to buy it?
I think so.
Excellent choice.
Have you ever had an embarrassing shopping experience?
Oh, yes.
What happened?
I tried on a shirt inside out.
No way.
Yes.
Did anyone tell you?
Eventually. What about you?
I once walked out of a fitting room wearing my old shirt and forgot to try on the new one.
Seriously?
Yes.
That's hilarious.
The store assistant had to remind me. We both laughed.
Shopping can be funny sometimes.
Definitely. Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed today's English conversation.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just keep listening and practicing every day.
Little by little, your English will improve.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.